socket set's available from oneauto.com. Has 20 pieces, 6-point sockets, 3/8 drive. I'll just unlock it and turn the case around that it comes with. So I'm going to open it up. It comes with standard and deep sockets from 3/8 to 3/4. The same for the standard size, 3/8 to 3/4. Has a 6-inch long extension, a 3-inch long extension, a universal joint, of course the 3/8 drive ratchet. It has a nice action to it. A really nice feature of this set is the 2 spark plug sockets. So we have a 5/8 spark plug socket, it has the rubber grommet in there to help hold the spark plug, and a 13/16 spark plug socket with the rubber grommet. This will fit most spark plugs and help you get them out of the car. Also comes with this nice case to help keep stuff stored if you don't have a toolbox. This is a great way to start your tool collection.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.